I'm Brian Way with Kaizen Inserts, and I'm going to show you how to install the new upgraded wheel kit for your Milwaukee Packout cart. Everything you need is right here in this 9x9 box. Comes with 2 bushings and 2 wheels. For this project, you're going to need 3 tools, 2 socket wrenches, each with a 9/16 socket, and a specialty axle holding device. Just simply put your socket on each side and loosen them both at the same time. Save those nuts. So you're going to take your wrench and you're going to grab the axle, hold it in place, and loosen the nut on the other side. So as you can see, it has a bevel on the inside of the bushing. And that bevel is to match up with the bevel on the axle. There you have it. Just tighten up your nuts. And that's it. You're good to go with your new wheels.